Hi, I'm Eddie with Guard Air, and today I want to show you the latest addition to the Guard Air vacuum line, the non-electrical discharge, or NED for short, Personnel Cleaning Station. The NED Personnel Cleaning Station is a pneumatic vacuum providing a safe alternative to using compressed air for cleaning chips and dust off workers' clothing or skin. Powered by standard shop compressed air, the NED Personnel Cleaning Station operates on the Venturi principle. Therefore, it has no moving parts or motors to spark or burn out. Featuring a proprietary brush attachment that simultaneously lifts debris from clothing or skin and vacuums it away. The NED Personnel Cleaning Station is recommended for use with metal dusts such as aluminum, bronze, magnesium, and zinc, agricultural products including flour, grains, and sugar, and dusts such as sulfur and coal. It features a 5.5-gallon durable polyethylene container and quick release latches for easy emptying. The NED Personnel Cleaning Station comes with a vertical mounting plate, perfect for locating near machining areas, break rooms, or office entrances. With conventional vacuums, static electric charges can build up in a vacuum hose during operation. This can be a major safety concern when working with combustible powders and dust, as the static buildup in the hose could potentially discharge, leading to a dust explosion. The NED Personnel Cleaning Station, on the other hand, is constructed with static conductive materials and features a static conductive vacuum hose and a 25-foot static conductive air hose for grounding through your compressed air system. For added protection, a lug located on the mounting plate provides an additional grounding point. Improve worker safety around combustible dust with the Guard Air NED Personnel Cleaning Station. For more information, visit our website at guardair.com.